Hello, good evening, morning, whatever time it be where you are. Uh, Today's the drawing of Kingler, who I learned today is a mixture of a fiddler and a king crab, so I wonder where his name could have possibly come from. Um, so Ash had a Kingler and used it like twice, and that's like all I know about Kingler. I don't know. You know, the original 150 are very clearly the most creative Pokemon, like nowadays they're coming out with like ice cream cones and just piles of garbage and back in the good old days in the Kanto region they had a crab and a bigger crab, and that was so much more original, wasn't it? I mean, honestly, okay, I will admit I am not the biggest fan of the Pokemon that's literally just like a bundle of cords, but like you can't say that there weren't dumb Pokemon designs in the OG, or even in a couple coming after. I mean, honestly, every single region has a bird trio evolution, so a Pidgey, Pidgeotto, Pidgeot. Uh, every region has a bird duo evolution, a Fearow Spearow. Every region has a ripoff of Pikachu. Every region has, like a Rattata type Pokemon. There is very clearly a formula that they followed after the Kanto region. And I don't know, to suddenly be upset with new Pokemon designs after, like Sun and Moon just seems dumb to me. Like, if you were going to be upset with Pokemon designs, please be upset with this literal just a combination of two different crabs. I was having problems with the legs. Just don't worry about it. Don't don't judge me. I don't see. Do you ever just doodle something when you can't figure out the thing? That's what's happening here. It helped though. I got my frustrations out about his dumb little legs, and then I was able to do them. Speaking of dumb little legs, I may have drawn too many legs on Krabby because I wasn't paying attention and didn't count the legs. So I might have to go back and delete some legs off of Krabby at some point here. I don't know. Does it matter? Is anyone gonna care? And let me know. Let me know if Krabby's your favorite Pokemon and you're eternally offended that I gave him 6 legs instead of 4. But also let me know if Krabby's your favorite Pokemon and you have always wished secretly and deep down in your heart of hearts that Krabby had 6 legs and were deeply disappointed when you learned that he actually only had 4, and now your lifelong dreams have finally come true. So I was very, very happy with how the shading turned out on that big old claw up there. Um, the I don't know. I wasn't exactly sure how to get the kind of clunkier texture that he's got in his official artwork there. That's not really the right word, but like he looks like a crab, and I didn't want to go into like extreme crab texture details in this tiny chibi drawing here, so just doing that shading where it was smooth on the bottom there, but then just a few hard lines where the mid-tones meet on that big old claw just really gave it a nice effect. I was very, very happy with it. So, yeah, there is the king of all crabs. I hope y'all enjoyed. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever, morning. Bye!